All right, guys, in this video, I want to show you how to add and connect Marketplace Connect to your Shopify store. As you can see, this is the app. And what Marketplace Connect does is that you can connect to Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Etsy, and Target. So in our case, we do have an eBay store, so we're connected. And the reason why I like Marketplace Connect to cross list is because it's very cheap, since it's already integration with Shopify, much cheaper than third party tools. I've used a few, so like I said, it's cheaper. And then the quickness, like it's super cool. So let's just kind of go over it briefly. You can, like I said, connect. And then the most important tool that I use every day is, go to listings. And then from here, I usually end up giving the Marketplace Connect a list that I am going to cross list for the day. And so, for example, these are all active. So let's find one that's inactive. Listing status, not listed. There we go. And then let's just say, for the sake of our video, since we've been dealing with nightstands, we could do a nightstand. All right, so we could do, let's just say this one, we wanted to cross it. And then what I do is just hit enabled. From here, you can edit your title if you like. As you can see, this one's 91. This one needs to be shortened down. I'd probably shorten that one right there. And then they don't need to know all that. There we go, 60. And then obviously category. This is important. Make sure it's the right category. All right, and from here you can leave it at web price, which means it's the same price that you have it at with Shopify in your store. If you have already the right cost and the right SKU, and then you think that's the price that you want to sell it at, perfect. You can leave it at web price. Now, if you need a fixed price or decrease, it's got all these tools, so it's pretty neat that you can decide. I usually have a web price for this specific SKUs. And then let's say now you could do edit variation prices. That's if different SKUs in here had different prices. You could do that. And quantities, again, important if you just wanted to list this one but not these two. Same for here. And then quantity, also very important. You want to keep it either fixed quantity, so you just tell it to give it, 1 or 2, or max quantity. So that means, let's just say, for example, I have 600, but I only want to give it 2. So it does that. It won't list more than 2, even though there's 600 available. And then last but not least, shipping. Make sure you hit your shipping, your service, your cost, and then your handling time. Aside from that, I usually just go here, try to get color. If if that's important for you, go ahead. Color, height, length, width, material. If you have, you can make it like, again, as a quality listing, right? Like, it's a matter of the speed and the quality. And then after that, that's it. You just hit save, and then it'll list on eBay. Let's see. Let me see if it's already on eBay. Guess it takes maybe like a minute, 2 minutes, maybe on average. So there it is, guys. If I can get it to load faster, I'll show it to you. But if not, that's it. That's as simple it is to list on eBay. Finally load up. Like I said, it takes a minute, 2 minutes max of experience. It's pretty quick. And Here it is. Here's the listing that we just did. As you can see, it carries over with all the variants, same as on Shopify. And that's it. We're in another marketplace just like that. More potential clients and more potential revenue.